Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple TikTok accounts. Managing multiple TikTok accounts is easy once you know where to find the account switching feature. So, whether you use separate accounts for personal content, business, or different niches, TikTok lets you access them all from one app. So, launch TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged in into one of your accounts. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap your username at the top of the profile page, just like so. So, click on this arrow right here. Now, once you click that, a menu will appear showing your existing accounts. So, if you want to switch to your other account, you can just click on that and it will log in just like so. So, it will log in instantly. If you want to switch back to the other account, just click on this arrow right here and click your other account and you'll be logged into that account. Now let's click this username again. So you can select add account and sign in with the TikTok account you want to manage. You can log in using a phone number, email address, username, or a link social account. So to change accounts, you can just again tap your username and select the account you want to use, just like so. So TikTok will switch instantly without requiring you to log in again. If you use multiple accounts, check your notification settings for each one. This helps you stay updated on messages, comments, and account activity without missing important alerts. So you can use clear profile names and profile pictures so you can easily identify which account you're currently using before posting content. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.